You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name that has a Slavic origin meaning grace. So from Eastern Europe, it's somewhat like the name Anna, okay? Also Slavic and also meaning grace. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. Ona in Slavic languages like Russian, Ukrainian, etc. Ona in English, therefore the pronunciation is similar as Ona. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.